Are you tired of battling breakouts and struggling to find a moisturizer that won't clog your pores? What if you could achieve clear, hydrated skin with just one simple product? Introducing the Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer, the best non-comedogenic moisturizer for acne-prone skin available on Amazon. This dermatologist-recommended daily moisturizer is formulated with powerful ingredients like ceramide and niacinamide, designed specifically to restore your skin's natural barrier and deliver long-lasting hydration. Did you know that many moisturizers can worsen acne by clogging pores? With La Roche-Posay's oil-free and fragrance-free formula, you can say goodbye to that worry for good. In just 1 hour, you'll start to feel the difference as this lightweight cream penetrates deep into your skin, providing all-day hydration without the greasy residue. Plus, it offers SPF protection, making it the perfect addition to your morning routine. Imagine waking up each day with a smoother, more radiant complexion. Whether you're running errands or gearing up for a night out, La Roche-Posay has got your back. And the best part, this moisturizer is suitable for all skin types, so everyone can enjoy its benefits. Don't wait any longer to transform your skincare routine. If you like what you've learned about this amazing product, be sure to subscribe to Beautyistic for more tips and tricks. Your journey to clear, hydrated skin starts now.